Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go the question. In the given figure, the hypotenuse is 64. What is the cosine x? Okay, here we have a right triangle and this side is the hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. And for hypotenuse, we have the length that is 64. And in the given trigonometric ratio cosine, we have x, that is, we have this interior angle measure x over here. So considering this interior angle measure x degrees, this side is opposite side because it is opposite to the angle measure x degrees. Okay, let me mark it. This is opposite side. Already we know that this is hypotenuse and the name of the third side over here is called adjacent side. And according to Secato, the formula for finding the value of the trigonometric ratio cosine is adjacent side over hypotenuse. Let me write it. We know that the hypotenuse is 64. Still, we need to know the length of adjacent side, that is the length of this side, so that we can get the value of cosine x. How do we have to get the value of cosine x? Okay, now let's consider the right triangle, particularly the interior angles over here and here. We know that this is a right angle, that is 90 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. What is the measure of this interior angle? Okay, in a triangle, we know that the three interior angles will add up to 180 degrees. So this one is 90 and this one is 60, and the measure of the third interior angle over here must be 30 degrees. So that these three interior angles will add up to 180 degrees. And it is a special right triangle, that is a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. In a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle, the side which is opposite to the smallest interior angle is considered to be the shortest leg of this triangle. Okay, this is a side opposite to the smallest interior angle measured 30 degrees. So this is the shortest leg of this right triangle. And in 30, 60, 90 special right triangle, usually we consider x as the length of the shortest leg. Then the next longer leg is the side which is opposite to 60 degree angle measure. So this is the next longer leg. To get the length of this leg, we have to multiply the length of the shortest leg by square root of 3. Then x times square root of 3 is the length of this side. And to get the hypotenuse, we have to multiply the length of the shortest leg by 2, that is 2x. But already we have the length of the hypotenuse, that is 64. So this 2x and 64 must be equal. Let me equate them. Okay, now to solve for x, let's divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. I am getting x equals to 64 divided by 2 is 32. Okay, here I got the value of x. Let me replace x over here and here by 32. So that is here 32 and here 32. And we know that this is the adjacent side. Now I got the length of the adjacent side, that is 32 times square root of 3. Okay, now let me plug in this 32 times square root of 3 for adjacent side over here. And we know that the hypotenuse is 64. Let me plug in 64 for hypotenuse. 32 goes into 32 one times and 32 goes into 64 two times. I am getting square root of 3 over 2. Okay, here I got the value of cosine x, that is square root of 3 over 2. We find the square root of 3 over 2 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.